So that's your physical stop
Yeah.
to stop it. So we can take it off for the bottom, can we?
Yeah, because it's a run-on. Sometimes you can't because it depends on the configuration.
Yeah.
So these are programmed, so they won't. You can't just drive it off it like a normal lift. So if I come so far and stop, and
Oh,
it
so the
won't
program
drive.
won't let it drive
No.
off the edge, right? Yeah.
So it'll come to there, look, and that's it. It knows where that point is. So
So you got
on
to
this one,
deprogram it.
you've got to override it in engineering mode. Take the seat off first. So there's a seat plug under there.
What's that wire?
That is your. It's from here down into the machine.
Okay.
It's just one cable to unplug. Not manageable then. On this one, you've got, that's called your hook board, and then that's your engineer's board. So this dial here, it's at 12 o'clock.
Yeah.
So that's user mode. So you click it round to 3, click it round 3 times, turn it off and on.
Yeah.
And that's come with the software, and that's mode 3 now. So it will drive.
So you can just drive it manually.
Yeah, manually.
And it won't stop at the end point then.
So all you do is keep it nice and steady, drive it off. That's it. It's off.
Right, excellent. But normally you would take it off at the top of the rail.
Well, just depending on wherever's easiest. It might be up to a wall at the top, so
Yeah.
you can't drive it off. So I just either drive it off the bottom or drive it to before a join, and then take the
rail
take
apart
the top
and take it off at the
section
join.
off, and then just drive it off that section there.
Right.
Yeah. And then once you've done that, if you just pull your blade fuse out and just pop it in there.
Where did that come out of?
Just there, just side of the easy batteries.
Right. Oh, so if you wanted to change the
Yeah.
batteries, that's
Yeah,
where they
they're
are.
pretty easy to do on these. And that just clips back on. Right. In each section, we'll start at the top. Each section has a pin, tiny little pin that joins these overlap joins here.
Yeah.
So you need to knock the pin, it has to go up and out like that.
Okay, got you. So that's
Yeah.
like a. What did you use to do that with?
It's just one of my toolkit, something I don't use in my toolkit.
Oh,
Just
it's
something to,
something very thin.
yeah. There's one everywhere.
There's one on each connection
Yeah.
of the, where the rail connects.
Yeah. And then there's a sleeve inside, which I'll do all the pins first.
They're connected to the sleeve
Yeah,
inside
so
the rail, aren't they?
Yeah,
These four.
these Allen keys, they spread the sleeve inside, so when you slacken them off, it kind of shrinks the sleeve.
Right. So it should slide out.
Yeah, once I've undone that there. And that piece will just lift off like that.
Alright.
Cheating. stairs.
So if you had a big straight, you could lose that sleeve, couldn't you? Right, could it slide right
yeah,
down?
you've got to watch your sleeve sliding in.